Hi Scentsy friends, today we wanted to give you a review of one of the new products in our range, and this is called a Scentsy Wall Fan.
Wall Fan Diffuser.
A Wall Fan Diffuser, that's right.
Wall Fan Diffuser.
Absolutely. And so this is what it looks like close up. You can see it there. This particular design is called Star. Okay. Now, what are the advantages of this particular?
What if your PowerPoint faced the other way?
Oh, wow. Okay, so this is an Australian plug. And if your plug is the other way, you can just use this button to switch it at the bottom, which is great because this is a sideways plug now. Now, some people have found with our traditional mini warmers, Adam, that they've been a bit inconvenient, i.e. people knock them and wax goes everywhere.
Whoa.
So this is the answer to that problem. And so this here is completely plastic. It's absolutely, totally droppable, and it's not going to break. It's really, really, really sturdy. So the little cover there comes off, and we've got the little mini fan in the bottom, just like in our Scentsy Goes or mini diffusers. There's a little fan in the bottom there. It's a very cute little design at the bottom. Now, at the moment, these don't light up and glow through. There is an illumination around the button there, and I'll show you that in a minute. But to put the fragrance in, it's just using these gorgeous little Scentsy pods. Now, this...
Available in twin packs?
It is available in a twin pack, and you can use two in here if you want to, okay? So it will fit two in, and that just pushes on. I mean, no twisting. There's no thread there. It's just a little suction cap thing that just... You pop it on.
Can
absolutely easy.
No.
Oh, they can't. Actually, I'd never tested that before. I didn't know that. I was like, oh, I don't know.
This is live TV.
So, yeah, they can't fall out. Wow, that's great, isn't it? So you can even turn it upside down. They are not going to come out. So this is fantastic for a caravan.
A caravan.
Yeah, or somewhere where, you know, it might get bumped in a busy bathroom where people are constantly using one socket.
Or a caravan.
A caravan also. Also very good for a caravan.
Yeah, very good, yeah.
And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to plug this on. Now, they're not completely silent, but they're very, very quiet. I'm just switching that around the right way. Okay, so I'm just going to plug this in for you. Now, it uses our Scentsy pods, which, as we said, come in a twin pack.
You can't hear that.
And that's it up close. It's running. It's operational. Again, it gets bumped, no problems at all. And I'm just going to show you the little mini fan at work. So the mini fan is fanning up over these beautiful fragrance beads in here. These little pods, as we said, do come in the twin pack there.
How long do you reckon the little pods will last?
That's a really great question, Adam. So 120 hours per pod,
Whoa.
Which is a really, really long time. And you can see the little fan there's moving. You can't see it at the moment because it's moving so fast. Oh, Adam's just turned it off there, which is very smart, and it's going again. So
Quiet.
It's super, super quiet. It absolutely is, but not completely silent. Some people, yeah, it's just a little.
You can't hear that.
Yeah. It's just humming away, very, very soft hum. But really, really great for little compact spaces, perhaps where your mini warmers were before and you weren't really happy with it, but super durable.
Super fast.
Super fast. Giving you that instant hit of fragrance straight away and super consistent hit of fragrance.
And no mess.
No mess, no fuss, super easy to change. You can put the 1 or 2 pods in, depending how strong you like the fragrance.
And 3 varieties at this stage.
Yeah, there's a couple of different designs to choose from in this one. And the latest one coming out, available from August 1st, 2020, actually does have a little bit of a light.
How do we get hold of one of those,
A
Jane?
light inside. Well, do keep your
check out
eyes
your website?
peeled on the website. And that's going to have a light coming out of the bottom. But the current ones don't. I'm sure there'll be different price points around that with a light or without. So depending, some people don't want a light, don't need it, because it's going to be somewhere where they're always during the day. It could be at work, in one of the toilets at work or something like that. So they probably don't need a light. Or the caravan. Although you might want a light in the caravan, I'm not sure. Maybe. But certainly these are absolutely great. A no mess, no fuss solution for the waxident situation. No waxidents with this one. We're using those Scentsy pods. They're so convenient and long lasting. So do look out for this one. Do look out for this one on our website. Go to Scentsy.com and look up your favorite Scentsy consultant. See you later.